Alright, YouTube. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I'm just trying to let you guys catch up on what I've been doing lately. I moved from Seattle. I'm out here in Colorado now. And I was able to transfer, so that was a good thing. I ain't got to look for another job. I was going to work on something for you. I was working on getting the car fixed up and making it look nice and all that. But something else decided to come on my lap that I decided to work on instead. And that's going to be my new project for the time being. Not sure how long it's going to take for me to do it. Hopefully maybe about a month. It needs a few things. I still have to order a new carburetor rebuild kit for it. The carburetor's not really working properly. Needs a couple other things. Let's see, a throttle cable, a choke, new tires. They're kind of bad. I got all the plastics for it, and the seat's a little messed up and a little old. Let me see if I can turn this thing around. Now, but that's the seats and plastics and all that for it. The 98 Polaris Scrambler 4x4, 400. So it's got it for free. So it's in the shape that it's in. I got it for free, and they said didn't really require that much. Just basic maintenance and stuff done to it. So that's what I was planning on doing. But I gotta order all the stuff for it, so I ain't gonna be able to do none of that stuff today. But for the day though, try to get the shop a little bit cleaned up. But the biggest thing I gotta do for the day is I have to try to put an air conditioner in here. And there is one sitting up at the old trailer that's all torn out. Don't know if you can see it. Doubt you can. And we got here in the light where you can see it. That trailer right up there. It's being torn down right now. We're tearing it up. It's gotta go. So the swamp cooler is on top of it. I'm gonna end up getting it, fixing it up so it'll work. Try to air condition the shop a little bit because it gets kind of hot and muggy down here. But it's already a good spot to put it. Perfect little spot. Just gotta run all the electrics and stuff, everything up there for it, and mount it up out there. But it's gonna do something I'm not sure I'm gonna do with this boat. It's got a lot of work need to be done to it. It ain't been underwater since what? 96. So it's been sitting up for a long time. But once I figure out what I'm gonna do about with all this other stuff, I'm gonna try to keep you guys up to date about everything I do out here, including what I'm gonna do with that. I'm gonna get to run. Hopefully I get the I order it tomorrow. I'm gonna order the stuff for it. See how long it takes for it to come in. Once it comes in though, I'm gonna try to see if I can able to record me putting all the stuff on there and see if I at least get started up. Need to get a battery too. But until then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to take an update and see what I'm doing and keep updated on it. Until then, next time.